Of all the games in Survivor in this series, rolling ball pit is the most difficult. It requires a lot of brute strength and aggression, actually, from both sides. Each team chooses 3 members. They need to wrestle their ball across a tide pool. Either you can choose to attack with your ball, or you can choose to defend. You can tackle, you can push, you can wrestle people into the water. You are allowed to touch or wrestle people away from the ball, and they don't have to be touching the ball. But basically the idea is to get your ball into your goal line. The entire ball has to cross the line for it to be a goal. Anyone can play the game. You don't have to have anyone sitting out, although each round is only played by 3 members, and each time you play the game you can play another set of 3 members, but it's matched by sex. So if there are 2 females and 1 male, the other team has to match that with 2 females and a male.